Welcome back to Excel for Economics. We're going to be looking at some more utilities. In this one, we're going to look at defining a name. So here we've got a set of data that we're interested in keeping, and we want to keep it around. So rather than have to highlight this every single time to select it and misclick and accidentally get too much, too little, we can actually just take this area and we can give it a name. So in the menu under formulas, there's a define name. So we could define a name that way. We could right click on this and we can define a name this way. We can also, there are hotkeys in order to get here. So we'll just define the name and this pop-up shows up. And we can just give it a name. We're going to say it's data. We're going to give it this utility. The scope is going to be in the workbook. We say OK. So now we've got this thing called data. So now we can say use it in functions directly. And we see that it highlights as this is an actual defined piece of data. So we can select that. And we can see that it says 11. Number of rows, we can count these up, it'll be 11. Columns, data. Note that it was not case sensitive. We can do the sum of the entire thing. Sum if data greater than or equal to 5. So we can use this thing directly into any of our functions. And we don't have to worry about where it is, whether it's a relative reference. Notice that in our definition, it was an absolute reference. So it'll always reference the same data. We look up the value of 4, data, third column, false, we want an exact match. And we can see that that's 5. So first column 4, third column is a 5. We can index data 5, 5. You see that that's a 1. We can also offset data, which row 1, 0, 2, 2. How many are we bringing back? And we can see that this is going to give us row 1. So this is 1 row down, row 1, 0th column. So the first column. And then this is the array that we're bringing back. So we can bring back any elements that we want from this of multiple sizes. Okay, and we'll see you in the next video.